Hello. So in this episode, we'll look at a fairly small trade, 162, but it actually teaches you a lot. So I thought I'd feature this on this YouTube channel so that you can learn a bit from it as well. So this is from March 23rd, and let me just look back on March 23rd. I made about 2,687, but I think it was due to this big boy out here, and it kind of like cropped down a bunch of my profits as well. But let's record and see what happened here. It's an interesting trade. So I took it just for an hour, 19 minutes, and not too long. But let's see what I did. So this is the 5-minute time frame. I see that the market is actually trending down. I guess the big trade that you saw was probably this one, and I ended it up here. So I see it bounce back, and I see that, oh, it may potentially go down further, which it did. So this would be considered the first pullback. Second pullback is what I was actually aiming for. Now let's look at the 1 hour time. I don't want to look at the 15. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Took this trade expecting that the market would go all the way down, basically backtrack itself after it went up so much, and I decided to just cut my losses short. And as you can see, the market really rebounded, didn't really fall to the same level it rose. So smart trade. I had my trailing stop loss in place, and that's what took me out. The 4 hour doesn't give you too much. Won't really spend time on this, but let's look at the 5-minute time frame. So 5-minute and the 1 hour. So I would categorize this as a breakout down trade, and let's start recording this trade. So direction is short. Setup, breakout down. Now, when I look into breakout down, let me just break this down further. So breakout down, I'm now looking at the where did it actually break out, or basically was it an opening range breakout? Was it? Now, I'm thinking, should I write this as pullback? No. Technically it didn't really pull back. So where did it? What actually broke out? So it wasn't a session low. It wasn't previous day low. Yeah, so there was nothing that actually broke out. Like the level didn't break out. The opening range breakout wasn't an opening range. Oh, maybe it was. Let me look into my 5-minute time frame. So this is about, I'm trying to figure out what time I took it. What time was this trade? Oh, this is at PM. So I tried attempting a breakout at 9 o'clock in the evening. Dangerous, very dangerous to take a trade so low. So honestly, it didn't really break out anything. So I'm just gonna write a nothing. Yeah, basically breakout level nothing means it didn't do anything. So what I'm trying to track here is, did I have a reason to break out? Was it actually an opening range breakout, a previous day high or low, or high of the day or low of the day, or was it a range breakout? In this case, it's nothing. So that's why I kind of gave it its new tag. Just created it for this occasion. Okay, was it impulsive or was it a retest? Um, so I would say this was a retest breakout. What else can I capture? The 5-minute time frame. Where did I take it? I took it greater than 5 MBA. What else can I capture? So now I want to look at the moving averages or the moving average crossover. So this was cross, it was mature into the trade. So I would put this as mature 1 hour bear mature. And what about the 5-minute? So the 5-minute, this was, it crossed here. So this is post cross late.